In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam is not detecting your controller. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure that our system or our computer is reading our controller. So you want to go ahead and press your Windows key and simply search for Device Manager. So let's just click on Device Manager. And from here, you want to make sure that your controller is connected. If you're using a wireless controller, so you will find it here in the Bluetooth. So as you can see, mine is wireless, so I can detect it here. So if you can't see it in the Bluetooth, what you want to do is go here in this option, Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. You want to click on that and make sure that it is connected. So if your device or if your controller is connected to your computer, then Steam is the problem. So we want to go and close this and go back to Steam. From here, what we want to do is to hover our mouse here in the upper left corner of the screen and click the Steam icon. Now we want to select Settings. From here, we want to select Controller just below the in-game setting. Now from here, what you want to do is to simply click here on Begin Tests. This will test your device's inputs. So this will show up and you want to make sure to control your controller and see if every button is working. So if still you cannot detect your controller, what you want to do is to simply restart your controller, or maybe the controller has the problem. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.